మహబూబ్నగర్ జిల్లా పర్యటనలో ముఖ్యమంత్రి రేవంత్ రెడ్డిని తన ప్రసంగంతో కట్టిపడేసిన ఆ చిన్నారి పేరు హఫ్సా. కేవలం 7వ తరగతి చదువుతున్నప్పటికీ ఒక అనుభవం ఉన్న వక్తలా ఆమె మాట్లాడిన తీరు ఇప్పుడు రాష్ట్ర వ్యాప్తంగా సంచలనంగా మారింది. ఆమెకు సంబంధించిన పూర్తి వివరాలు మరియు ఆ ఆసక్తికరమైన సంఘటన ఇక్కడ ఉంది.
Was to the CM seat is a testament to what determination and support can achieve, and what exact initiatives doing breaking the barriers with uniform textbooks and digital panels like IFP panels and nutritious midday meals. This is so nutritious and delicious, sir. And in our school, so many improvement is there, sir. In our school, the infrastructure is changed, sir, and teacher training, and so many students get improve in their studies, sir. And in Mehboob-Nagar, the IIT Mehboob-Nagar is there. I have a dream in IIT Mehboob-Nagar. In my sister says I am in 7th class. My sister is 10th class. She say I want to join in IIT Basara, but she didn't go in Basara because of 2-3 points are missing there, sir. I have a dream in IIT Mehboob-Nagar. I want to join in, sir. Please, you can say. I ask one question, sir. How to get prepare in examination hall, sir?
How to
get prepare and revision in examination hall?
your teachers are there?
Sir, if we forget the question, sir, how? If we forget the question,
Forget the questions. So you should what do you call it? Freshen up your memory.
okay, sir.
So your concentration is important.
Okay, sir.
Now one beautiful question you have asked the Honorable Chief Minister is, how did you break the barriers
Yes, sir.
from a Zilla Parishad high school student
Yes, sir.
to becoming the Chief Minister of Telangana?
Yes, sir.
How did you break the barriers? Now Chief Minister is going to answer this.
Okay, sir.
Thank you very much. It's a wonderful interaction. Now I request the Honorable Chief Minister Revanth Reddy to address the students. Thank you, sir.
IIT మహబూబ్ నగర్ ప్రారంభోత్సవ కార్యక్రమంలో పాల్గొన్న సహచర మంత్రివర్గ సభ్యులు, పార్లమెంట్ సభ్యులు, శాసన మండలి సభ్యులు, శాసన సభ్యులు,